Good morning again, grade 7. We are now down to our next topic, our next module, which is module 2, okay, for second quarter, weeks 5 to 8, okay? The meeting is already locked, right? Let's start the discussion. We'll be talking about getting started with MS Word or Microsoft Word. I know that you know already Microsoft Word, but we need to tackle some of the bits of Microsoft Word, their uses, right? And how to deal with some documents, file names, and everything, right? Introduction to word processing. Okay, a word processor is a device or software that can compose, edit, format, and print documents. Again, what is a word processor? It is a device or software that can, number 1, compose, number 2, edit, number 3, format, and number 4, print documents. It is used to create various paperworks, legal documents, forms, and etc. Right? Its predecessor is the typewriter. So if you're going to look at the arrangement of keyboards and the typewriter, it's somewhat like similar, right?
Yeah.
But when you're talking about typewriter, it is mechanical. And if you're going to look at also the Word document or the MS Word, it is actually what? It is a
Uh,
program-based. When you say program-based, it is actually what? Driven by a program, right? It can create documents by imprinting letters as they type on the keyboard. It later evolved onto electric typewriter. And finally, with the spread of personal computer, word processing was made through a software application. So again, MS Word is based on a software from Microsoft. Okay. MS Word was first released in October 25th, 1983 under the name of multi-tool Word for Synec system. Synec is a discontinued operating system licensed by Microsoft. It was a non-GUI. When you say GUI, it means graphical
user interface.
Yes. Again, it is with the use of graphics, right? When you're talking about Cinex, this is an old operating system which was created by Microsoft before, okay? And again, it is discontinued because there are a lot of issues, there are a lot of bugs appearing with Cinex. Okay, questions? Again, it was created with a non-GUI word processor, okay? Graphical user interface. It was not very successful then because Microsoft was not leading before it was not leading software in the market during that time, okay? In 1990, when Microsoft 3.0 was released, MS Word became a huge success. It is actually used by different computers during that time. Word 97 was introduced, the assistant Clipit. Are you familiar with the Clipit?
No.
it's like a
It is
very
actually,
old app, a website
no,
before.
no. Clipit
Clip.
is an assistant, okay, by MS Word 97. So it looks like a paperclip, okay? It looks
With
like a,
eyes.
yeah, with the eyes, yes, correct. Which was an animated paperclip that provides help to users because during that time, it is really hard to integrate, okay, MS Word because this is a program base. We need to be familiar with those. Like when this was launched, students are able to hands-on with MS Word 97, but they need to explore more. It's more an exploration, okay? Because during that time, it is really new to the students, right? Word followed the same format up to the release of Word or MS Word 2002, which came from Windows XP. Okay. Microsoft Office 2003 was first released that bundled with MS Word with the other MS Office applications. So what are these MS Office applications? We have PowerPoint, MS Excel, What else? What are the other MS applications? We have database. What else? And so on. So these are the Office applications. So
MS
when you
Teams.
install, yes, when you install MS Office, it is a package. Okay. So it started with MS Office 2003. Okay. The release of program in bundles continued until the latest release, which is 2021, I think. We have a new version, which is 2021, but I don't know if it is available in the market today. Last time I checked, it's 2019. Okay. First introduced the ribbon in MS Word interface. By the way, talking about the new MS Office, it is online based or cloud based. So most probably you will install that one and register in Microsoft, okay, Microsoft.com, in order to have an access to MS Word or MS Office, right? MS Word 2010 further improvised the interface and brought back the File tab, which was replaced by a window logo in 2007 versions. MS Word 2013 and 16 share the same look and icon except for the green tile bar found in 2016. Okay. In my case, I am using 2016 because this is offline version, so I can actually manipulate all throughout. All in all, improvements of MS Word were not visually obvious to regular user as improvements in MS Office applications. So MS Word 2013 allowed editing of PDF and so on with 2016, which was non-editable file. If you're going to look at PDF, you cannot actually edit directly, okay? If you're going to use also PDF with the lower versions like 2007, you cannot actually edit PDF. But because of the advancement or improvements of MS Office applications, you can now edit PDF with MS Word 2013 and above, 16, 20, 21, and 21, of course, which was another. MS Word 2016 connected the program to SharePoint, which allowed user to instantly share the file within the organization's website, or you can actually publish your file document online. Okay, those are the improvements. MS Word Backstage View. So what's with the Backstage View, right? The Backstage View started with MS Office 2010. Okay, it can be triggered by clicking the File tab. The Backstage refers to the screen that totally hides the view of the editable document in MS Word. So if you're going to click on the sides, like for instance, you are now, I am now checking on your weeks 5 to 6. Okay, this is your document. You're going to look at. If you're going to click on the side view, okay, you can actually see the info, new, open, save as, and so on, even your account. Okay. MS Word ribbon interface. Since MS Word 2007, the ribbon has been used by program to display icons and features. This is the default ribbon of MS Word. Again, supposed to be this ribbon is an experimental, okay? But then again, they found out that this is really useful. So that is why they continued it all throughout. Okay, this is the ribbon that I'm telling you. Tabs. Okay, and to tell you honestly, with the ribbon, this is quite impressive because with the help of this, you can actually see a lot of functions. Okay, starting a document. Okay, when MS Word launches, the Backstage View defaults of a new tab presents templates for a new document. If you're going to have to check on the new updates or the new MS Word application, you can actually see that there are some templates on it. Okay. Usually a blank document option is selected to start from scratch, but you can always use the templates that MS Word is offering. Okay, just like this one. Diba, when you open a document, it will enable you to choose from these templates. Okay, these are templates. You can usually click on this and use these templates. But usually we use blank document, right? This procedure of going to the File tab and start a new document can also be done when another document is active. Like for example, you're opening the document, okay? You are now opening a document. But you want to open a blank document, you can always do that, okay? In the previous version, you cannot actually do that. You need to close the document, save the document, and open a new document. But because of this, it is now possible, okay? The keyboard shortcut is Control+N. Okay. Again, in your exam, do not put a space because there is no space after plus. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Control+N. It is not Control space plus space N. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just doing the spacing there in order to emphasize. Right? Can also be triggered or click while a document is open to trigger MS Word to start a new document. Aside from starting MS Word with a blank document, the Backstage view of the News tab also offers online templates. Online templates meaning to say that these are templates created by Microsoft and can be downloaded, okay, provided that you have a Microsoft account. Okay, use the search field to find a document type you like. Type like a newsletter, business card, labels, and etc. If you're connected to the internet, it will download more templates if you want online. Okay. Moving around the document. It is necessary to move around document. A mouse and the middle scroll function. Usually our mouse has a middle scroll function, so you can actually use this one to navigate on the document. And the keyboard can also be used to navigate the document. I know that some of you knows already about this, but there are some bits that you need to understand, right? The status bar or status bar. Status bar is located on the bottom of the MS Word window, which shows the current progress of a certain executed action in the program. The status bar can be a great tool also to determine if the program is busy doing something in order for us also to preserve the function of the processor, because if you're going to have a lot of functions, a lot of processes, your processor might be at stake because of multitasking. Okay, and checking also of your RAM is a big help. Okay, including the scheduled tasks such as saving recovery copies or opening large documents. When the program is doing something, it is best to wait, of course, for the task to be completed before doing another tasks to avoid overloading the program or to avoid damaging your processor. Okay, like for instance, you're opening a document here and then you're opening a game. You're opening again another document, so it will load up again your memory and your processor. Okay, when a program is doing something, it's best to wait for the task to be completed before opening another task to avoid overloading the program again. The X button can be used to cancel the tasks. Okay, quick formatting. I know that we already tackled quick formatting, but there are some quick formatting options in the new MS Word. MS Word offers a quick formatting options which can be applied on text on the document. Highlight the text that needs to be formatted, and the quick format option pops near the end of the last character highlighted. The pop-up can be used to bold, italicize, enlarge, or change the style of the font. Once the cursor has been moved away from the pop-up box, it disappears and can be made to appear again by right-clicking on the highlighted text. So again, the importance of this is for us to uh, to navigate faster again, or to edit faster the document highlighted or the text highlighted. just like this one. Okay, if you're going to highlight, okay, a particular text, automatically it will pop up on the last text and you can edit directly. So most probably this is convenient to us. Okay, so this is just few of the components or the features of MS Word. I did intentionally created this um, small, short, and precise simply because we're running out of time. This is included in your major exam, by the way, your second periodical tests, right?
Do we have activity today?
Yes, we have. Okay. After this, right? We are done with your module 2, weeks 5 to 8 for the second quarter. Okay. Now just give me a minute for me to upload your activity for today. Okay, that is the reason why I want all of you to join the online class. This is the reason. Okay, because this activity will be open only today, right? Just give me a minute because I did prepare this one, right? I still need to upload this in order for you to maximize your activity.
Is it like in the LMS or is it in a Microsoft Word?
It will be uploaded in the LMS. Just give me a minute, right? Would that be okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, let me share my screen again. Are you still with me? RJ, J Rose,
Yes.
Travis,
Yes, sir.
Arlie, Sebastian, Baste, Kaiser.
Yes.
All right, all right. That's great. So let me share my screen again. Okay. What I want you to do now is I want you to do activity number 1, okay, which is concept engagement. I'll be opening this now. It is now open. So what's in the concept engagement? By the way, this is worth 50 points lang naman. Okay? 50
Damn.
50
under,
points.
yes, under,
400 words.
yes, 400 words. Exactly. Okay? In MS
Wait,
Word,
what?
Short essay is easy, don't
Wait, you have to
worry.
do MS Word.
right? Okay. Write a short
Yes.
essay about your experience in creating documents. Okay? Do it on the space provided. So meaning to say, you need to do it in your LMS. Okay? It's a bit different thing when
Let's
we are talking about
go.
with
Yes.
the offline, because offline we'll be doing that in a separate paper. Okay, that is why. So again, write a short essay, short but long, because this is 400 words. Okay.
Short
Again,
but long.
good for 50 points. Okay, about
When's
your
the
experience. Make
due
sure
date?
that you are doing it in the 400 words because I'll be checking that one by one. Right?
Wait, it has to be exactly 400 words or more than 400 words.
More than 400 good is great.
Okay, so when is the due date?
Okay.
So what's the question? Or we're just gonna write an essay? Is there a question?
Okay, listen to the instruction. Okay. Write a short essay about your experience in creating documents. Creating documents, experience. So this is the question. It is about your experience in creating documents with MS Word. Correct? Any other question?
No.
Nope.
It's more about your experience. Okay? This is not your report sheet. Your report sheet is different because there are some problems there, topics arising, problems arising from the topic. But in this case, your experience in creating a document in MS Word. Let's be specific. Right? Questions? Because this is
No
quite
more.
long, 400 words.
No questions.
Right. I think that will be all for today, class. I'll be expecting answers from you until the end of the day because I will not open that activity again. Remember, your second periodical tests or quarterly examination is fast approaching. Right? Schedules, we'll be giving you the schedule hopefully this afternoon or by tomorrow. Right?
Yeah.
Again, do it in your LMS. Do you need to write in your LMS? I did just put right there, but you need to type, of course, you cannot write on the computer, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, let's change. Okay, type.
Type.
Of course, you need to type. You cannot write in a computer because you're not using paper pencil here. We're using the soft copy. We're
Keyboards.
using keyboard, correct? We're using keyboard. Okay. Any other question?
No.
No.
All right. There is no uploading there. Okay. You need not to upload. You do it in your LMS because I'll be checking that one by one. Remember that your LMS can actually count the number of words. That's the reason behind.
Okay.
Right. I think that will be all for today, class. Have a nice day, grade 7. Take care. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Bye.